Hey, this is the OP boy and the girl. Alright, so what is going on? This will be Blizzard 11. Right now we are tucked in with my stuffed animals and her Packers won. Yep. So this Blizzard 11, just talking about how cozy it is and like at the snowstorm. But I've got an idea. Me and Sophie were fighting about making a funny video or Blizzard thing. I wanted to do the Blizzard, Sophie wanted to do funny video. Well, we might go in the snow and make a video. You know what? No. We'll play with the snow. We're going to play with the snow, but we can't make a video out of it. Well, this is Blizzard 11. We're going to have, look at the snow.
Look, where's your push ball?
And guys, how much degrees is it outside? Me. Hi, guys. Me. I got it. Me. All right, yes, you. It's 13 degrees. It's 13 degrees, and it feels like below 8. Good. So this is how it is, like getting cozy, you know, like kids, yeah. So we're the OP boys. Well, OP boy, and there's the OP girl. So bye-bye.